Hi Sardadatta, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I'm good too, thank you. So first of all, many congratulations to you for getting selected in the company. How do you feel about it?
Now I'm feeling good. It's have been 6 months. I've been trying for a opportunity. Though in testing field, in the market, as you know that it is widely spread that we don't have any jobs and all those things.
Mm,
I sort of thought of that there is no job in testing as well. So I
mm,
tried a lot of companies like MNCs, some startups,
mm.
or I gave some interview. At last, I got a job in an MNC.
Great, great. So how many years of experience you have?
Regarding automation testing, I do have 2+ years of experience, 2.5 years, five
And
years of
overall
experience.
experience?
Overall is 3+.
3+ years of experience.
Yeah,
Okay. So you have been doing now automation testing since last 2 years.
yes.
Great, great. And what is the percentage of the hike that you have received?
I did get from my last organization, I did get 120% of hike.
Okay, 120%. Great, great.
Yeah.
And where are you from actually?
I belong to Odisha. I'm from Odisha.
Okay. So currently also you are in Odisha. Is it a work from
Yes,
home
yes,
job opportunity?
yes. Now it's work from home.
Mm-hmm. Okay, great, great. So can you tell me more in detail and the entire testing community, how
Uh,
many interview rounds were there, and how was the interview experience? How did you came to know about the job opportunity?
yeah, first of all, I will thank to you. I have
Mhm,
gone. I'm since last one and a half years. I'm following you. I'm
okay.
going through all your videos.
Mhm,
Thing how I didn't know how to approach the questions that in how to approach a question in an interview. I was not that prompt in giving the answers in my initial stage.
mhm,
So from your videos, from your mock interviews, I got to know how to answer all those things and how to gain the confidence and how an interviewer will get uh, to understand that your concept is clear. On the
mhm,
basis of that, he will rate you or he will feel that you are fit for the job. For like that, I gone through all of your videos. I never missed
mhm.
one of the videos. I
Okay, okay.
simply what I did. I simply note down some of the questions which are repeated questions. I've
Mhm,
gone to a lot of websites, and whichever I didn't get from you, I also did some research from my side also. How I will approach.
mhm,
What others are saying that is different, and what I will say to the interviewer that will be my point of view.
mhm,
So I thought of those question and then I what I did I made up my answer how to approach the interview. That was my positive point.
mhm.
Regarding this is my preparation that I have done from
Great.
your videos. I have gone to all my framework that I have worked. I have done some extra things also.
Mhm.
Uh, Regardless, like this, I have done my preparation.
Wonderful, wonderful. Great to hear that. So how did you came to know about this job opportunity?
Job opportunity, Rakesh, I will say that I used to apply many of the jobs. Means
Okay.
I
Mm,
didn't every day used to 50, 60 jobs I used to apply because
mm,
everybody was saying whenever I see any video, any job updates, everybody saying job, there is no job in testing field or
mm,
testing market. I
mm,
get used to get frustrated some of the
mm,
time.
mhm,
Daily I used to apply. Daily. I never miss any update. Whenever in WhatsApp groups or any groups, LinkedIn, from
mm.
your videos also, you also update the job update.
Yes.
I wrote it down, all the emails, numbers.
Mm, mm,
I ranked them up. I sent my CV through Gmail. I didn't get any much response, but I get the response. If you
mhm,
send some 50, 60 every day, you will get turn back will be moreover 5 to 6 there will be turn back
mm,
definitely.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, then I in Naukri, I got this job from Naukri.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm not taking any premium package. I used to apply in a regular basis.
Okay.
I go through all the skill set and the job description.
Mm-hmm.
The thing is that people are applying the jobs without seeing the job description, without seeing the heading or the job title. So the CV is the one thing that has to be
Mm-hmm.
shortlisted so that you are going to further on. First thing is your CV has to be shortlisted. So you have to make your CV that keyword friendly, that keyword they're using in the job description, or you can say that some ATS friendly words you can use. So you have to see the job description and make your CV as per that. You will get a high chance that your CV will shortlisted. After that, the interview process will be done. So
Mm-hmm.
first I was doing applying like that only 60, 70 every day
Okay.
in frustration. Then I
Mm-hmm.
thought, why my CV is not getting selected, or
Mm-hmm.
what is the issue that I'm getting? I'm doing my best from my side, but I'm not getting an interview. So then I did some my research on my own. Then I find out the what are the requirement, what is the job description that is needed. So in that CV, I learned and I mentioned in my CV. Then
Mm-hmm.
only after doing that only, then only my CV got listed, shortlisted in many of the companies. I have before getting this job, I have given five more over five interviews.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the main thing. First thing is you have to check how your CV is presenting, how your CV should be get shortlisted. That is the main thing
Correct.
in my thing.
Yes, yes, absolutely. That's the correct thing. Many of the time, the candidates they'll send their CV, please find attached to whatever the job description it would be. But it is very important that you go through the job description. If it is written
Yes,
in the skills they are looking for Selenium with Python, then Selenium
right.
with Java might be having very less chances of getting selected.
Yes, yes,
So
definitely.
yeah.
People are actually, I have seen lot of CVs. So I have done more than 50, 60 CVs for
Mm-hmm.
all the jobs. I apply like that only.
Mm-hmm.
So the formatting is the main thing. You have to do the formatting, how
Mm-hmm.
the everything should be placed. You have to do by your own. As per the job description, only your CV. If your CV fits, then only your CV will get shortlisted, or else you will never be selected. That's the main thing. I have more. Maybe I have applied more than thousands or 2,000 of jobs. But
Mm-hmm.
after doing some research only, then I got that without your job description matches your CV doesn't get selected.
Mm-hmm. Correct, correct. Okay, so can you share few of the interview questions that you would have got in these companies when you have been applying, when you have been applying
Yeah.
since 6 months? Yeah. So I think you went on mute. Let me request you to unmute yourself. Yeah,
Your introduction.
yeah.
So what I did for I got two rounds in this job that I got. So
Mm-hmm.
for first round, technical round, I made one introduction doing by seeing some of the videos how the technical round interviews and your introduction is going on. And for
Mm-hmm.
the second round also, I have made another uh, introduction. I didn't say the same introduction in both the interviews
Mm-hmm.
because it was a managerial round, so
Mm-hmm.
we don't have to say lot much. In my introduction, in my technical round, I have added my project in my introduction, my achievements, and what are my framework that I have been working for, and my skills, all those things.
Mm-hmm.
And in my managerial interview, I have given a brief with a short introduction,
Mm-hmm.
and then the questions regarding the Selenium version, what version we are using, then
Okay.
web elements, how and JavaScript, how you have used the JavaScript executor in
Mm-hmm.
your framework. And
Mm-hmm.
then I got an question, how what are the challenges that you faced in your framework?
Sorry,
Yeah.
where do you use?
Uh, where JavaScript executor.
Okay, JavaScript executor.
Yeah, that was that I got two questions from JavaScript executors, and then another question I got. What are the challenges that you have faced?
Mm-hmm.
And then I got how the hybrid framework works in your that I am working in hybrid framework.
Mm-hmm.
The simply the work of hybrid framework. What is the purpose of hybrid framework? Though it so that one it is a data driven framework. Then I got a coding round of how to fetch data from Excel sheet to the script.
Mm-hmm.
And another question is the synchronizing issue. What are the synchronizing issue and why it is done? These are all question. And another one I got of these all question.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So,
And exception question also I got. What are the exception and types of exception that I faced in my framework?
mm, assertions. Any questions you got related to DevOps?
No, I didn't work in DevOps, so
Mm-hmm.
they did ask about the Jenkins and all DevOps.
Mm-hmm.
So we only fetch our code and in the branches only we put our code where others work. So I explain about that how because we work in Java 21 where is Jenkins run in Java 11.
Mm-hmm.
So I explain how the environment is different from our environment. So I explained about them about this, and then I said only we only in GitHub we put our code in different branches as per our sprint. Then
Mm-hmm.
only there was the other team take handover.
Correct, correct.
Yeah, and they also asked me about the database.
Mm-hmm.
Whereas if I am an automation engineer, whereas the API related thing is done by the manual tester. So I also explain them about how manual testers create all those queries and run and check. Then they give us the query. We only see the response. I
Mm-hmm.
also explain them about that. So they didn't ask anything about that. So you have to explain if you have not done anything in that I have explained that how other team is related to my team and we related to other team.
Mm-hmm.
Dependency I have explained.
Great, great. So two rounds were there. One was
Yeah,
technical, another is managerial round.
yeah. Technical round is purely based on your CV.
Hmm.
Whatever you have mentioned, they will go through it and they have asked me question in my CV. Whatever I mentioned in my CV, they have asked over there only, and
Hmm.
some question about your framework and the project that you have worked on. And in manager round, also some scenario-based question.
Mm-hmm. So can you recall,
Yeah.
if you are able to recall those questions, it would be great. Yeah.
The main question was if there is two different main servers and
Mm-hmm.
you are running the script in one server, then it is running fine. Then in other server, if it is running, means the script is not running. And
Mm-hmm.
what the issue that they want to know? Because from testing time, it will go to the production environment. Then only it will go to client environment. For
Mm-hmm.
that question, they asked me how you will handle these things. So this is the synchronous issue
Mm-hmm.
you have to synchronize as per the server how they are reacting to the application or the script that we have prepared. I explain them about that or this purely about synchronizing issue.
Mm-hmm.
So that's all.
Great, great.
Yeah.
Wonderful. So you got technical round, managerial round. Okay, scenario-based questions were asked.
Yeah.
And were these virtual interviews or you had to go to that?
Uh, it no no it was virtual interview
Hmm.
because
Virtual.
it was for the Bangalore location. So for that. Yeah.
Great, great, wonderful. Uh, Now many of the people they are feeling that AI will replace testing. Do you think that AI would be able to replace testers?
Oh no, I don't think so. AI can make do some changes in the codes or regenerate the codes. All those things they can do. But the real thing is the how the server is reacting, how the visualization. How you
Mm,
can what you can see AI can do that. Tester will only check how it is reacting to the server. AI can only do the coding part, or they can give you the suggestions. They can give you the way of how you can do. They can give you the approach. But
mm,
what you will do, the tester know what I can do for the application, because the server are also done by the developers only, human
mm,
only. So only they we have to coordinate with the other team. Then only something gets done in the servers. So I don't think so. Maybe in these days AI can't replace. Don't know about further. It there
mm,
may technology is developing. So the thing is that I could say to all, if they are going to use your videos, don't rely upon the things that you know,
mm,
because there may be question different from anywhere,
mm,
because the skills are growing, because there are many different things there now they're approaching in
mm.
testing.
Correct.
So there is not there. I came to know that grid, all those things, parallel testing,
Mm,
many kind of testing is now in the market.
mm,
So we cannot rely in one testing. If I'm doing automation, I should know different kind of automation testing.
mm,
Yeah, I could know if we are purely into automation testing, we should know 3 to 4 framework, how they are working. So these gonna help you. If you are relying on one technology, one skill,
mm.
then there won't be any help, I think, in
Correct,
my
correct.
point of view.
Absolutely. Yes,
And
yes.
in you everything that I have learned, or everything that I have done the
Mm,
research, where I honked my skill also from YouTube only. So
mm,
if we are not working in that framework, we can learn from YouTube also. Everything is present in the internet. So like that only I have done all this.
mm, mm. Okay, great, great. So, thank you so much, Sardar Datta. I think this video would be really useful for the community who are looking
Yeah,
for the job opportunities, because now the job market has actually opened and now people would
yeah,
be looking forward to get jobs.
yeah,
So let's hope that people get jobs very soon, and this video would serve as a dose of a motivation for all of them who are actually looking for jobs. Thank you so much for coming on the channel. You have
yeah.
anything to share? Yeah.
Yeah, thank you to you. You have doing a great job. I how to thank you, I don't know. I
Mm-hmm.
never talked to you. I never got your mock interview also.
Mm-hmm.
Just only your videos and your way of asking question, and the main thing is the explanation.
Got it.
Eh,
Yeah.
that the one connects me to your videos. I have gone through all your videos, and the I learned how to explain. I know many people what they got in interview, they got nervous. They can't explain the thing. They know, but they can't explain.
Mm-hmm.
That's the main issue. That was also issue for me. I know the
Mm-hmm.
situation. I know the how to work, how the code is working, but I can't explain. I got to learn how to explain, how to approach. That's all those things. And you are also doing a great job for the tester. It is a great motivation for me to
Mm-hmm.
learn from you.
Thank you. Thank
And
you so much. Yeah.
to all those who are looking for job, they should never lose a hope and do some research. And there are a lot of things you can achieve in your life.
Absolutely. Absolutely. Thank you so much, Sardar Dada, and wish you all the best for your career ahead. We'll stay in
Thank
touch. I think we are connected via Instagram, so we'll stay
Yes,
in touch.
definitely,
Yeah.
definitely. Anytime
Yeah.
we can connect.
Yeah. Okay then.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.